Hey guys, Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Random Monday for May 11th, 2020. So let's do the daily spin. Alright, so let's go find it in Gem of Clothing, where there seems to be a lot of people here, so I think it might be here. Ooh guys, you can get a classic glove, classic top hat, classic tiara. Ooh, that's the thing I'll get. Well, it doesn't seem to be here. Unless if I missed it. Oh, I did miss it. That's weird. Okay, so here's the random Monday for today. It is a rare Genie Hat. It's 550 gems and Gem of Clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and turn notifications to on. Also check out my other Random Monday video for the ML Jam app. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.